Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. To get started, open the content you wish to capture. I'll use settings as an example. Once it's open, press the power key and volume down button together. There we go, that's our screenshot. You can also make a scrollable one by tapping the down arrow icon. This will start scrolling down, and if you want to extend it further, tap it again. That's one way to capture a screenshot. The screenshot will always be found in your photo gallery. Let's open the gallery, and there it is, the screenshot I captured, and it was also a scrollable one. It looks like there's a weird artifact here when the phone locked out while pressing the button, but if you do it again, it should disappear. So that's how you capture a screenshot on this device. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.